Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to pull out these buttons on your Bosch stove, so you can clean. You can give the good clean to your stove. So how to pull out the buttons and to have this situation like on those two here. Simply take this cover to the back and just simply pull out the button. After you give the good clean to your button, please look at this course here and simply put it back like this. Push it gently and it will fit good, of course after good cleaning. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment section below. It means a lot to me.